Welcome to the To Infinitive Masterclass. We will master the core concepts of English grammar, essential for middle school. Let's begin with an introduction to understand what the to infinitive is. The secret behind the name to infinitive lies in infinitive, which means undetermined or not fixed. What is not fixed? The part of speech or role. It's formed by to plus the base form of a verb. The verb transforms into a noun, adjective, or adverb, depending on the sentence. Let's look at usage 1, the noun usage. This usage translates to the act of doing something. In the noun usage, the to infinitive can function as the subject, object, or complement. A helpful tip: if the subject is too long, use the dummy subject it and move the to infinitive to the end. Moving on to usage 2, the adjective usage. This usage translates to going to do or doing. In the adjective usage, the order is always noun plus to infinitive. Remember, it must modify the noun from behind. For example, homework to do and something to drink. Here is a critical point: the preposition trap in the adjective usage. This is essential for advanced students. Why are prepositions necessary? For a chair to sit on, we say sit on a chair in English, not sit chair. The preposition on must follow the to infinitive to maintain the proper relationship. The trick for verifying the correct preposition is the move back method. For a house to live in, move house to the end. Live in a house is correct, while live a house is incorrect. Remember, we write on paper, with a pen, and about a topic. The preposition changes depending on the context and the meaning you want to convey. This table lists common pairings frequently tested. Pay close attention to the corresponding preposition and its reason, verified by the move back method. Now let's explore usage 3, the adverbial usage. This has the most diverse interpretations. The 3 core interpretations of the adverbial usage are purpose, which means in order to, cause of emotion, meaning because of, and result, meaning only to. Next, let's talk about the subject of the infinitive, which tells us who is performing the action. The formula is for plus objective case placed before the to infinitive. This clarifies who is performing the action. For instance, it is difficult for me to solve the problem. There is an exception for the subject of the infinitive. If the adjective describes a person's nature or attitude, like kind or careless, use of plus objective case. Here is a final summary table of the to infinitive usages, their translations, and their roles in a sentence, including the subject of the infinitive. It's quiz time. Let's check your understanding of the concepts we've covered. Quiz 1. What is the correct preposition in I need a pen to write? The answer is with, because we write tile with a pen. Quiz 2. Fill in the blank in it was wise, him to say no. The answer is of, because wise is an adjective describing a person's nature. The to infinitive is not difficult if you correctly link its position and interpretation in the sentence. Review the preposition check and the subject of the infinitive rules. You can do it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you've gained a better understanding of the to infinitive.